What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm letting you guys know that I got another influencer box. What? I got another influencer box. I'm hyped about it because, listen, I'll be getting the free, so I be hyped. So real quick, I just wanted to say, I want to do a video in the future of why I think it's a great idea for new influencers who have no experience to work with influencer. But that'll be in another video. Because they don't ask for anybody to make a full YouTube video. I just do that for my own purposes, which is what I would say in the video. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so let's get into this video. I got this Dove box from Influencer. I'm excited because it's already shown what's on this bad boy. It's hair products. I don't know if it's going to be all three of these products or not, but that's what I'm about to open up right now. Only thing about the Influencer box is I don't like that it comes like this so you can see what's on the package, because if somebody wanted to steal it, they could easily just steal it. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. So this is what's in the box. Yes, I got 3 things. Let's see if I like them. So first in this box, we have this card that says, I have a hydrating cleanse shampoo, a super slip detangling conditioner, and a shine and moisture finishing gel. We about to do some twist outs. All right, so the hydrating cleansing shampoo is a sulfate-free formula that gently nourishes and cares for all kinds of coils, curls, and waves, which is great because this is giving me black girl vibes, texture hair vibes. So let's see if Dove know what they doing for the texture hair girls, because yikes, not all companies got it down, so we'll see. Okay, also this formula is infused with aloe, gently removes product buildup, which is great. I love aloe. If y'all watch my videos with any type of hair, I love aloe in my hair. Restores moisture and shine and leaves hair feeling clean and healthy. Sounds great. The detangling conditioner now. Moisturize and detangles all kinds of curls, coils, and waves. This formula is infused with coconut milk, provides great slip for a quick comb through. Let's see about that. And it leaves the hair defined, healthy, and feeling ready to style. Now, last but not least, the Shine and Moisture Finishing Gel. This is an alcohol-free formula. Sorry, my braces is messing up on the S's and the F's. Alcohol-free formula that notably enhances all kinds of natural curls and waves. This formula infused with aloe works to reduce frizz and hydrate curls. Always a good thing. And it provides hair with a light day hold without flakes and crunch. Leaves hair feeling moisturized, shiny, and looking healthy. Okay, I like everything it says except for the lightweight hold. For me, I have low porosity hair, so I need a lot of moisture and a lot of hold to get these curls to like hold in a shape. This was supposed to be a wet look, and it didn't happen, as you can see. Like the hair just like started to puff up like a blowfish. But I mean, I still look cute, right? Let me know if I still look cute down below. This is the finishing gel. Sorry, I should have said that. This is how it looks. Let me get my little Instagram picture real quick.
Relax.
So, directions: apply to dry hair for frizz-free, shiny curls. I wonder if I could do like a wash and go type of look, or if I have to do like a twist out or braid out, because like I said, with my hair, it's not going to really hold, so we'll see. Shampoo. Bam! No sulfate, no parabens, no, if I said that right, no dyes, it's color safe, and it's crafted and tested for coils, curly, and wavy. And I I have a mixture of all hair types, I believe now. I'll explain that in the video of why I think so. Yep. Sulfate free is the way to be. So this one is the conditioner. Building girl self-esteem. Oh, I like that little note. That's nice. For added conditioning, followed with Dove Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, so the conditioner has sulfate in it. The shampoo does not. Yeah. So if you're not into the sulfate, don't use the conditioner. But since they sent it to me, I'm gonna use all of them and I'm gonna see how it works together. I'll see you later. Normally I would have already detangled my hair and had it in sections, but I'm actually gonna just kind of do that now. Let's start with the shampoo. Let's open this bad boy up. I wonder if it's gonna smell like soap. Oh, that smells good. It definitely gives the smell of soap. Let's see the texture. Hold up, let me put it on my hand. Let me section it off from now. I'm bugging. Dove know how to make something smell real good. It smells like the mixture of hand soap with perfume. Ugh. With this shampoo, I feel like I need like at least 3 or 4 pumps to really feel like it's getting in my hair, to be honest. It's kind of feeling a little naughty. For this, I feel like I do want it to have a little bit more slip for my hair specifically. It's not bad. My hair is getting through it. I'm not really going to detangle with this. I'm going to wait until I get to the conditioner and see how that feels. I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna put the conditioner on and I'm gonna see. My hair definitely feels soft. I can definitely say that it's really nice and soft. This is what it's giving right now. This is just the front half out. I'm gonna put in the conditioner, and before I rinse it out, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna definitely come back. But let's get to this conditioner. I don't know why this water keeps going in my eyes today. It definitely gives like a coconut smell. Oh, it definitely says coconut milk on it. Whereas the conditioner, it definitely has more slip. Alright. This definitely gives a thick conditioner five. What was I thinking about? A thick conditioner type of vibe. That's what I was gonna say. Alright, like I was saying, the conditioner, it definitely has more slip to it, for sure. And it definitely feels, yeah, it feels like it's smoother to rake my hands to it, for sure. Only thing is that I like to be a little heavy-handed with my product for the most part, so I'm gonna put a 3rd pump on here. Well, I'm definitely down with the conditioner and the slip, for sure. Yeah, this is definitely useful. If I don't have the right type of like shampoo and conditioner, it does not do good on my hair and it takes me forever. Right now, I'm gonna try out the last step, which is the finishing gel. So I'm gonna see how it is real quick. I'm gonna wet my hair a tad bit, and I'm gonna see how it is if I just try to curl my hair, like finger curl it, and if not, it's gonna go into some type of twist out. And let's see if I could actually accomplish that, because I never could. It always looks okay, so let's see. All right, definitely slipping and sliding. It said light hold, so I doubt it would do any type of curling for my hair, like by itself. Well, we gonna see. I'm looking in the mirror. Oh wait, it's giving a little bit of a curl. It's not gonna give full definition curl, I'm pretty sure of it. All right, I'm not gonna put anything else in it really, but I just wanna put this Wetline Extreme on real quick and see the difference. So I'll put it on this piece that I didn't really touch. So with the Wetline, it looks like it'll definitely hold a little more than this. But yeah, it's definitely giving like a frizzy hold. Let me do one in the front so you can see. Oh, it has a decent smell. I don't really know what it smells like, but it's alright. This definitely gives everything. It almost kind of feels like it's like that bubble type of texture. Yeah. If I had a different texture hair, I feel like it would definitely curl up, because it is giving a little something, but it won't give a defining curl at all. Yeah, that's not happening. All right, so I'm gonna do some type of little twist out, and I'm just gonna do a few twists and I'm gonna be done. And as you know, before this, I did a wet look, so I'm gonna probably post like a little video clip. Did I record me doing that? I think I did. A video clip of me putting the gel in my hair and how much it was curling up, and as I did this as opposed to the Dove. Yeah, it's not doing anything for me. So let's see if it holds a twist out. I usually like to do smaller twists because the bigger twist, for some reason, it doesn't really hold my hair nice, but I'm gonna try it out and see. We're gonna see. For each twist, I'm doing 2 or 3 pumps of gel to hold it together. So the ends are looking like it's a little curlier than in here, which is usually always the case, but I really think I'm doing something to change the texture of my hair to get it more curlier. It could be one of 2 things, which I'll explain in another video when I like grasp a little bit more of what it is, but I'm low-key hyped. I just need the rest to get like that. All right, so I'm all done. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna take it out and we're gonna see how it held up. And then I'll tell you guys my final thoughts on all of the products, all right? Later. Crazy thing is, the Dove shampoo, conditioner, or gel is not good for particularly my skin because I started to break out all over my face, and my arms felt itchy, and by the inside of my thighs felt itchy. I don't know which product it was, but it's one of those products because that has never happened to me. So it happened twice. As soon as I went outside, I was sweating, and whatever product was in my hair, which is one of the Dove products, well, 3 of the Dove products, mixed with the sweat, it started to break me out under my eyes first. That was on the first day because I went outside. I went to the store and I came back. It was like 15 minutes total and it was hot outside. And when I came back in, I noticed like, you know, my eyes breaking out, which I'll show. And then after that, I washed my face off, I put aloe on it and went down. So the next day I was dancing, I had a rehearsal or whatever, and I was sweating profusely. So now I'm looking in the mirror and my whole entire face is breaking out, even on my eyelids. So what I did was luckily I bought my face wash. I washed my face. I ran to the store to get aloe and I pulled my hair up out my face. And that definitely helped and it went down. It took a while to go down because I had to like try to stop sweating. So then as soon as I got home, I rinsed it out. After I rinsed it out, I used the regular shampoo and stuff that I usually use. And I have nothing in my hair. Right now, my hair is dry. This is like the second day that my hair is dry with nothing, like no type of product. I literally washed my hair and just let it dry into this little shrinking puff because I didn't want any type of product in my hair so I can try this test again. And I'm sweating right now and I see nothing. Nothing is happening to my face, which is good because, yeah. So sadly, whatever's in the Dove products, one of them, it doesn't agree with my skin and it did not work out for me. So I have to figure out what that is because all I know is I'm allergic to one thing. That's interesting. Yeah. All right. Bye.